In the heart of India, where every stitch, every crepe, and every weave tells a story centuries long. Yet, these brilliant artisans are struggling. Why? Because the modern marketplace is falling them. The phase 2 silent threat counterfeiters flooding the market with cheap replicas and exploitive middlemen who snatches up to 70% of sale price. This means consumers are left wondering if they are buying genuine art and artisans are deprived of the income needed to be survive and pass on their craft. We are Team Chak De India and we built Hastkala Haat, the digital passport for authentic local product. Our promise is to cut out the friction, eliminate the fakes, and give the power and the profits back to the creator, the zero friction solution. No. Our core innovation is a zero friction digital Our core innovation is a zero friction digital identity tool. We knew complex and e-commerce platform were too difficult for non-tech savvy users, so we focused on true accessibility. For the artisan, uploading their product story is easy. They simply use the vernacular voice assisted input. They speak in their native language and the system translates this critical change that makes our solution truly inclusive. Now, once the story is recorded, our system generates the QR generation code. The artisan tag their product and instantly they have an unforgettable certificate of origin. When the customer scan, if they just see a price, they see a verified profile, the product's true story, and they can support the artisan directly by bypassing all middleman communication. Now, what are the technologies we have used? So, the technologies we have used in input layer for this is a mobile web app where the artisan speaks. It captures the local language using the web speech API. Then processing layer. Our core logic runs on Python backend in Flask. This is where we validate the data and generate the secure unique QR code. Now the data layer, we use this Firebase and SQLite to securely store the artisan and product ID and their stories. Output layer, this is what the customer sees when they scan the QR code. They direct it to a secure verification page. Now, lasting the impact and the future. So the impact is clear and measurable. We project a 20% plus increase in net income for our partner. We achieve 100% verifiable authenticity by guaranteeing profitability. We actively preserve India's heritage by encouraging the next generation to keep these craft alive. Looking ahead, our roadmap is ambitious. We plan to integrate payment and logistic for seamless direct sales. We will introduce generative AI to refine spoken stories into polished SEO ready product description, and ultimately we will build a verified national craft registry. Now, Hastkala is more than just a platform, it is a digital infrastructure required to fulfill the promise of vocal for local and deliver prosperity, samriddhi to very hands that build our culture. So this is our idea. Thank you.